All right, November 6th there. I forgot to mention in the video footage I just took a few minutes ago how I'm going to title this memorial tribute portrait artwork to my late friend Alvin Tamarkin of Queens, New York, who died on June 17, 1969. I decided to title it. Let me turn the radio off. How are we doing, birds? I hear a chirp. Nice. Video viewers always appreciate feedback. Yes, Dr. Chi, thank you. Prime Minister Mazel, hi. Back. Okay. I started a joke which started the whole world crying. A song by the Bee Gees, which I remember in the 1970s, and I used to hear it on the radio after I moved to Illinois, Champaign-Urbana. I remember whenever I would hear it, I would always think of Alvin. We must have heard it on the radio when we were driving around Queens and Manhattan. Ooh, whoosh. I'm just going to point out a few things. I'm going to try to limit this to 3 minutes. My portrait of Alvin I drew from the black and white photo of him in our graduation yearbook, and with ink and watercolor. Two drawings of buildings, they look Italian, like the Colosseum. And I don't know what this building is. Statuary on top, it looks like perhaps a soldier holding a rifle. I'm packing a pale, light blue, gray ink. This is dated May 25th, 67. That was our junior year. A still life of like a plant in some sort of container. And a portrait of a woman angry, which I inserted upside down here, dated June 1st, 67. I'm going to try to flip my camera. Not easy, but I shall try. All right. Okay, hang on, my fingers are showing. Pardon. Okay, oi, heroin is blah, exclamation. Allegorical sea monsters. I gotta speak quickly here. We're at 3 minutes already. Starfish, fragments of linoleum block prints and woodcuts of mine. Looks like I artified these into allegorical sea monster shapes here. Drawing from around 1972, 73. And an old sketchbook from them. A bird probably drawn in the 1970s. A ruler I've had since I was in high school. Wow. And I had done this, the arrows and look on it, I don't know, many years, decades ago. I remember it was hanging up in my apartment in the Pike Market for years. All right, there you have it. Oh, cigarettes I drew. And flower birds in Chicago, 10/12/68. All right, Alvin of blessed memory. More allegorical sea monsters. He got into heroin. I understood when I went to see him one day in February 1969. I didn't get to see him. One of his roommates told me that. And then it might have been a couple of months later when I learned he was a patient in a psychiatric hospital. And then a couple of months after that, I learned he had taken his life. June 17th. Oh, way too young. All right, there you have it, 4.5 minutes. He had his whole life ahead of him. Not dissimilar to Tim Buckley and other singer-songwriters. All right, Janis Joplin.